Most people don't think about saliva when they think about healthcare. Yes, I'm talking about spit. I'm here with Steve Thorne, founder and CEO of PDS Health. Why is saliva test the new blood test?
Well, we can learn so much about your overall health just from a little bit of saliva. And so you don't have to get a needle stuck in your arm and things like that. We can learn about how responsive you are to inflammation, which is huge.
We all talk about inflammation.
Yeah, inflammation is the big killer, right?
Yeah.
It's inflammation
sort of underlies so many conditions.
Right, and people don't realize that the most chronic, or the largest chronic inflammatory disease in the world is periodontal disease. And that's where our spit comes from. We swallow about 1 liter of saliva a day.
Yeah.
Most people don't realize that. And that goes into our bodies, and it's filled with all sorts of enzymes, inflammatory mediators, and bacteria. And it's those bad bacteria that are so causal or associated with all these chronic inflammatory diseases we so fear. Things like diabetes, early onset dementia, or Alzheimer's.
And the solution is not take more antibiotics, it's do more gum care.
What happens is those bacteria love to live on those biofilm of our teeth.
Yes.
It's like fertile ground for them. And they attach there and they stay there. And unless they're cleaned out, it causes all sorts of bad things.
And saliva is important for our oral health, in addition to being a marker for oral health. But we as physicians, we prescribe medications that cause mouth dryness. We use inhalers. We don't think about the effect on the mouth. I'm guessing that's a big problem.
We now know which bacteria are causal to these certain chronic inflammatory diseases. And we also know how to keep the good bacteria going and make sure we can eliminate those bad bacteria. So take as an example an inhaler or mouthwash.
Yeah.
Most standard mouthwashes kill the good bacteria. People don't realize that. That's not good for us.
Well, this is all fascinating, and I've spoken in previous episodes to some of your dentists, and they are very enthusiastic and excited about being able to use these techniques to help their patients and hopefully communicate it to my peers so we can help patients too. It's got to all get integrated better.
It does. We have to break down the silos. Whoever separated dentists from medicine, when I get to heaven, I want to just have a talk with that guy.
Hey, listen, we separated mental health, dentistry, and medicine. Insane. Well, we know that reinventing healthcare doesn't just happen in one visit, but it starts with conversations like this. So for more information, visit smilegeneration.com. We'll be right back.